Dr. Vivek Debroy, Dr. Prakash Amte, Dr. Mandagini Amte, and most of all, my young friend Parvati Shah. To you, I really dedicate the Sabera Awards. Thank you for being there, and Sabera, thank you for inviting me. The American economist Milton Friedman, in his 1970 essay for the New York Times, presented his now famous Friedman Doctrine that stated that social responsibility of business is to increase profits and that a company had no social responsibility to the public or society. Its only responsibility was to its shareholders. But that was the profit maximizing decades of the 70s, where greed was good and businesses just thought of that. Over the years, the companies have evolved and now emphasize on the triple bottom line, which is not just positive financial profits, but also positive environment impact, positive social impact. Many responsible companies already measure their success in these terms, and I'm sure in the future this will become mandatory very soon. Holistically speaking, companies have realized that businesses that understand and follow the principles of purpose beyond profit tend to amass huge brand equity, which in the long run you actually yield richer dividend, both literally as well as figuratively. This change actually is driven not only by organizational ethos, but many a time actually it is nudged by shareholders, by regulators, by customers, and even employees. And I think all of them together urge the companies to do this. Therefore, the foundation of purpose to enjoy the faith and support of a society, the government and the officials, I think profit beyond business, actually the concept crystallizes all of this. And the latest, the ESG that the government has started about the emphasis on ESG is really going to make us more and more be able to, compete as far as these metrics are concerned. I think in addition to the traditional financial parameters that all of us look at, profit, debt equity, EV, emotional value, whatever, uh, I think sustainable products and growth opportunities are which are very important. ESG indicators and indexes have become actually a key indicator for investors globally. Companies these days are more than aware that the responsibility of creating a better society rests not only with the state, not only with the government, it rests with them. It rests with, they have a key role to play. And I think that is the biggest, when awards like Sabera are given, I think the fact that smaller companies also get recognized really helps a long way in it being on the agenda of not just the biggies but also the small companies. I think India took a bold and a very positive step by making the CSR mandatory. As you all know, 2% of the average of the last 3 year profits have to be spent under the Companies Act. We need to spend on CSR. I think business can invest their profits in such areas as education, poverty alleviation, gender equality, hunger, as part of the CSR compliance. I think most socially aware corporate citizens, including the company that I work for, have a foundation that serves these key stakeholders. The society in which you exist, that is what we're talking about. It turns it really actually what happens it in turn benefits the organization in intangible ways as well as society as a whole. For example, if you look at education, okay, education, the support of education for the betterment of the environment in in where one operates, where educated people are employable and jobs are created and law abiding citizens get created. Education, I think, spans over a lot of aspects of society. I think that's what we see happening more and more. Healthcare, looking after people in the manufacturing units, in sand mining, in all the other things that you see, glass making. I think all these things are really increasing the general awareness that our people are more important. Profits come second. Regulatory compliances, I think willingness on part of the companies to work towards a sustainable future, I think is going to make the world a much better place for the coming generations.